The transformation of Barcelona's iconic home continues to reach new milestones, and today's update brings some of the most impressive progress we've seen in recent weeks. From advances on the compression ring to facade installations, surface finishing work, and developments across the middle levels, the future Camp Nou is becoming more complete with every passing day. As construction moves forward on multiple fronts, the vision of a world-class stadium is rapidly becoming reality. Let's take a closer look at everything happening around the site today. We begin with one of the most important engineering elements of the redevelopment project, the compression ring. This massive structure continues to expand around the stadium and remains a critical component of the future roof system. With every newly installed section, the scale of the project becomes even more visible. Construction teams remain focused on connecting structural elements and preparing the framework for future roofing operations. Every connection requires exceptional precision to support the enormous structure above. The compression ring is now dramatically changing the appearance of the upper stadium, giving fans a clearer picture of what the finished Camp Nou will look like. As more sections are completed, the project moves closer to delivering one of the most advanced stadium roof systems in world football. Moving to the exterior of the stadium, Facade Installation continues to deliver some of the most noticeable visual changes across the project. Newly installed facade panels are steadily transforming the outer appearance of Camp Nou, replacing the construction site look with the modern identity envisioned for the stadium's future. Each completed section creates a cleaner and more unified appearance around the venue while helping shape the stadium's final architectural identity. As more panels are added, the contrast between the old structure and the new generation stadium becomes increasingly evident. What once appeared as separate construction zones is now beginning to merge into a single and recognizable stadium design. Away from the major structures, important progress is also being made across various surface areas throughout the stadium. These developments are essential for delivering the quality and functionality expected from a modern football venue. Current work includes preparation, installation, and finishing operations across multiple sections of the site. These improvements are helping transform unfinished construction zones into polished operational spaces. Each completed section brings the stadium one step closer to its final form and helps connect different areas into a seamless environment. Attention now turns to the middle levels of the stadium, where important structural and interior developments continue to take shape. This area plays a vital role in connecting different sections of Camp Nou and will be central to the overall fan experience once the stadium reopens. Construction teams are progressing with internal structures, technical installations, and preparations for future seating and operational spaces. The ongoing progress demonstrates that redevelopment efforts are advancing throughout the entire venue, not only on the exterior, but also deep within the stadium's internal framework. With every completed section, the future Camp Nou becomes more organized and closer to welcoming supporters back. Week after week, the transformation of Spotify Camp Nou continues to move forward at an impressive pace. From the expanding compression ring and growing facade installations to surface improvements and progress throughout the middle levels, every development brings Barcelona's future home closer to completion. The vision is becoming clearer, the structure is becoming stronger, and the excitement among fans continues to grow. If you enjoyed today's update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Camp Nou construction updates.